What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. Man, pretty interesting day we had today. We had that pump in the morning and then that pullback. The SPY ETF fell about 0.5% in line with the broader S&P 500. They fell as well, the same, while the NASDAQ dropped 0.7 and the Dow 0.1. Why? We had that data drop this morning. We had a disappointing service sector report and tariffs weighed on the sentiment. Even though strong AI-led earnings from Palantir and DuPont offered a buffer, investors remain on edge but hopeful that the Fed may pivot to rate cuts and reverse this recent volatility. But family, you know it doesn't matter. Regardless of all that, we only play what the chart suggests. It doesn't matter what data. We got Fed Powell. We wait for after the noise to clear, and then we dominate whichever direction they show us, whether it's to the up or to the down. That being said, guys, let's go ahead and jump into the charts to see what we got going on for tomorrow. But before we do that, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. Let's get it. First ticker up, we got newbies, beginners. I'm gonna throw SOFI on there. Been getting a lot of requests for this one. They're sitting at 21.50. If you are a bull, you see these humps right here. You got 1, 2, 3. They need to clear this area right here before they can proceed to anything higher. You got 21.70. You want to see them open higher than that. If they can do that, they're going to start they push back to these humps over here. 22.05, a heavy level. Next level up after they get through there, you got to run up to 22.25. To the downside, you want to see them open as well. You see these humps down here, these bottoms, 1, 2, 3. You want to see them open lower than 21.30. If they can do that right there, next level down is going to be this stuff right in here at 21.10. They lose that, you got one more area of interest at this 20.95 area, and then boom, they're going to shoot their shot back down to this 20.55 level. So there you go in that one right there. I got a couple earning plays for the newbies out there. You got ticker symbol SOUN. They report Thursday at closing. They are sitting at 11.20 right now. If you are a bull, you want to see them open higher than this 11.30. If they can do that, they can start pushing this thing to the higher stuff. They can start really grinding this thing up. You got 11.50 and routes to this stuff up here. You got 11.65 and then boom, 11.85 in play. So that's one that can give you a nice move to the upside. To the downside, you want to see them open lower than these bottoms right here at $11. They can do that. Next level down is going to be this stuff down here, 10.85. Next level after that, boom, you got 10.60 on deck. Another pre-earnings play, you got ticker symbol HUT. Newbies, beginners, I'm throwing them out there for you today. This one, they report Thursday before the bell, before the market opens up. So they are currently sitting at 20.30. If you are a bull in this one right here, of course, you want to see them clear these tops right in here at 20.40. If they can do that right there, they can slow grind this thing all the way back up to this high stuff at $21. So there you go in that one. To the downside, you want to see them open up lower than 20.05. A more of aggressive entry would be right here at this 20.15 break. They break that, that's going to be your next level, 20.05, and then back to these bottoms right here at 19.90. That would probably trigger a bull response, getting it back down to that level. So there you go, newbies, beginners. That's 3 good plays that you can follow tomorrow to be able to watch and dominate throughout the session. Advanced traders, where y'all at? I got some for you guys. I got 2 earning plays for you. Ticker symbol DKNG. They report Wednesday at closing. They're sitting at 44.95. If you are a bull in this one, you want to see them open higher than this 45.20. They can do that. They can start running this thing up. The next area of interest is going to be 45.60. Next level after that is trying to get over these humps right here at 46.05, and then boom, they're going to shoot their shot to that 46.70 level, 46.65. So there you go. To the upside, to the downside, you want to see them them open lower than 44.40. They can do that right there. They're going to shoot their shot at these bottoms, 44.20. Then boom, you got 43.95. They lose that right there. They coming all the way back down to this 43.65. Next level down, you got turbulence at 43.55, and they can keep pulling that thing down. But I can tell you, every time they hit these areas, you're going to get a bull response. They're going to try to pop that thing right back up. This one don't really look that great to the downside. Not just yet. So there you go in that one. Next ticker up is going to be ticker symbol TEM. And this one, they're sitting at 57.75. They report Friday before the bell, before the market open. So if you are a bull in this one, ideally you want to see them open higher than 58.90. They can do that. They can start running this thing up. Your next hump is at 58.70, and then boom, you got 59.70 on deck before they really start booming it. You got to run up to 61.20, and then these highs over here at 61.60. To the downside, what you want to see is them open somewhere around this 56.65 level. Next level after that is these bottoms down here at 54.10. There you go in that one. Big baller shot callers, where y'all at? I got a few for you. First one up is LLY. They report Thursday before the market open. They're sitting at 766.05. If you are a bull in this one, you want to see them open higher than 768. They can do that. They're going to shoot their shot right here to this 770 area. They break through that. Next level up, you got 774. And man, they can really get the moving breaking through that right there. Got 778 and routes to some higher stuff. This 779.40 break, they can really start getting busy. Next level up, boom, you got 797.40 on deck. This one, low key, if they got a good favorable earnings and Wall Street rocking with this one, you could easily see $800 price tag real fast. So there you go in this one. To the downside, you want to see them open lower than 762.50. They can do that. They're going to shoot their shots at these bottoms right here at 759.50. Next level down is going to be this stuff up in here. Let's call it 754.05. So there you go in that one. Next ticker up, you got the SPY, and this one right here, they gave us that nice little pump at the bell. As you see, we ran up. I thought we was going to run this thing up to 635. They just needed to clear this little area right here. They was unable. They fell back. So if you are a bull in this one, what do you want to get over? I can tell you right now, you want to see them open higher than 629.25. They can do that. You already know we come into these humps right here at 630.30. Next level up, after we clear that right there, you draw your line, you see where the heavy levels is at, right in this middle, and you see it aligns with this hump that I've been teaching you about. 630.30, they hold that. Check this one out. Boom, we running back to these tops at 632.40, breaking through those tops. Next pump is going to be to 635.05. To the downside, you want to see them open lower than these bottoms at 626.90. They can do that right there. They're going to start shooting a shot. Next push is going to be to 625.60. We lose that right there. We coming all the way back down to this 623.10 area. So there you go in that one. Next ticker up, we got Tesla. They're sitting at 308.70. And family, I put this one out again. I said, man, all Tesla doing is playing games. You see this stuff up in here? That is no money. They stayed in my zone all day. This was a boring ticker to follow. They just pretty much chopped in that zone. And I told you, I'm not interested. They kept trying to show signs of a breakout. But if you see where my areas of interest is at, man, we got to these areas. They tried to break across. They wicked out. We came back down. They went up, thought we was going to get a breakout. We got the down candles and we came back down. And here they go trying to do the same thing. That area right there is 310.40. So that is innocent into proven guilty. Once they start breaking out and you get candles consolidating above it, you see this red candle, they're dropping to the downside. You want to see green candles candles consolidating like this right here above that line. That's going to suggest we're going to run to this 312.40 area. Next level up, boom, you got 317.95 on deck. I mean, you got some turbulence right around 315, but bulls should be able to boom through that and head to that 317. To the downside, you want to see them open lower than these bottoms right here at 305.60. If they can do that, next level down, you got 303.90. Next level after that, you got 301.05. And man, it gets ugly after that. You got 297 and then boom, 294.20 on deck. So, all right, family, that's all the tickers I have for you today, but you already know we back at it tomorrow, locked and loaded, ready to get down, ready to get busy. I can't wait to see you guys. Until then, if you like sniper type, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, NVIDIA, Tesla, Palantir, HUT, Hood, Nike, go ahead and join us in the Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we're grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.